Hi, my name's Rebecca, and I'm here with Direct Candle Supply. Alright, to start off, we're going to take one of our coconut soy wax slabs. So when you receive your product, it will look like this. Now, I'm going to cut 10 ounces of product, like so, using a spatula. So after you have cut your wax, you're going to want to weigh it. I have already pre-cut and weighed 10 ounces of wax to make this easier. Following this, you're going to want to weigh your fragrance. So in this case, we're using 10%. We recommend you use either 6 to 10%. For this, I'm going to be using 1 tin and 1 glass, as well as 2 different types of wicks. 1 large 105 5-inch wick and 1 medium 93 5-inch wick. Now we're going to grab our metal pitcher and place our wax inside. After this, we're going to use the double boil method in order to melt our wax at the right temperature. This is to make sure that it melts evenly. Now we're going to wait until it reaches a temperature of 170 to 175 Fahrenheit before we do anything else. After your wax has melted, check to make sure that it's at the right temperature. Once you have done so, you can go ahead and add in your fragrance. Following this, make sure that you stir thoroughly. And then, you're going to want to take this off of the heat and wait till it's around 140 to 145 before you go ahead and pour it into the containers. Once your candle has cured for the appropriate amount of time, you're going to want to let it burn. And now you can go ahead and enjoy.